Babe, she's gonna be over there, standing and drinking coffee every morning and watching the pan, huh?
I guess. Ah.
That's good. Gigi, Roxy, huh? Hala. There's no dog over there, baby. I'm gonna unleash them. Ah, I'm gonna unleash them. Unleash the girls, mommy. So the girls can nagulanlan, mommy. Huh? Okay. Wait, be. Mommy gonna double check, be. Chich, I see you, Chich. Huh? I see you.
Get Ron on video?
No, I did not. I should, right? I should be. Huh? Follow daddy, come on. Hi. Roxy, come on, Roxy. Look at her, there.
Where's Chi-Chi?
Behind you.
Oh.
You make a mess, Nak. Oh my God, Nak. Did you see her, Bee?
Roxy, come on. Yeah, she's definitely not running real fast.
Huh?
She's definitely not running real fast.
Nah, it's not, babe. You know, it's different than it was. I don't know what's bothered her. Which foot, you know? Maybe the same foot? I don't know. What happened? Huh? Guys, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, guys. Oh. Sunny, but malamig. Malamig. Right, babe? Malamig means cold. Nice. And cold. Halanat.
There's a fella coming.
Yeah, they're busy working on it. I don't know if they're gonna go all the way or just that one over there, right?
Park over there.
Busy sila, guys. Trabaho. Mayroon silang lagyan nila ng ano, extra para may lakaran ba yung mga tao ba? Hold on lang. Padada. Busy. Babe, they dig up deep, right? Why they dig up so deep, babe? I don't know. Why so deep though? So it's solid?
They're laying in rocks below it. Stones.
Tingnan nyo, guys.
I guess that's to firm it up. Okay?
That's nice, right, babe? Looks like it's wide, you think?
Yeah. This is why it's good.
Right, babe? It's gonna be nice. We're gonna go walk all the way. I don't know if they have all the way to the school.
Yeah. What has to be done so I can get it done. Oh, yeah. Some of those stuff. Nah, I ain't even gonna try. It's too much for me.
Corby. Nag-fishing, guys, dahil mayroong nilagyan nila ng trout. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Remember last time? We came here last time too, right? Where the dog gonna go, mommy? Allah. Where you gonna go, dog? What's that? Looks so scared. Plug like right in front of her, baby. What is that? Alright. That's a big one, huh?
Yeah.
That's a big one, be ready?
Okay, you better move.
Hi, Naka, you feel that?
Come on.
This one is so foggy. Just started. Like what time is it now? Baby? Like 9 o'clock, 9:30?
Almost 9 o'clock.
Almost 9 o'clock.
Almost 9.
Very foggy. Stay there for
Way for today.
all the way.
Done what we needed to do.
People are getting I think the people they're getting tired to go outside. They need to stay home. The shopping is over, right?
Well, this place won't be open until at least 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
That's why there's no one here.
There's gonna be. I was thinking I deserve to have a Starbucks today, babe.
Yeah.
People already start playing, babe.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Saturday morning. Yeah. I wish like the Korean market is always like this. Coffee addicted right now.
Have more coffee in Maganda's? Oh man.
So I'm thinking, oh, okay, I'm not gonna go to Starbucks. I'm just gonna go get some coffee at the Melinda's. They have a good coffee anyway, right, babe?
Oh yeah.
Nice. What time is it now, babe? It's like 8 o'clock.
Until 8.
Quarter to 8 o'clock. I don't know how much they pay though, babe, right? That's the husband and wife.
See, my hands are hot.
She's always hot.
They're warm compared to yours. Oh,
She's always hot, babe. I'm always cold, right?
I guess.
Today.
We are at Maganda's Mexican restaurant.
We're eating breakfast.
Having breakfast. That's right.